Alright, I'm very excited to show you these LOBKIN open-ear earbuds. This is the S18 model, and these are really just meant to be a nice, sleek, comfortable, secure option so that you can still hear your music while still being aware of your surroundings. And that's one of the features that really makes this unique is the clip-on feature. It won't go directly into your ear canal, so I'll just show you what I mean. So by pulling this out, you can see this is the part that'll go in your ear, and then this bendy, flexible part on the end, that's what gives space to be able to wrap around the ear. So I'll go ahead and put this on my right ear. So remember, this part goes in, and then, like I mentioned, the other part just wraps around like that. So just like that, it'll stay secure, and you can still hear your music, podcasts, whatever you listen to just fine, but it allows you to be able to hear everything going around you, which for me is a safe option, especially if you're running, biking, or doing anything where you still just need to be aware of what's going on around you. Alright, as you can see, this case has a really unique LED touch display. So let's showcase that, show you what it can do. So let's get in here. So you can see that we can change the song, backward, forward, pause and play. We can change the volume. Here we can change the equalizer settings. You can even set alarms. Change the brightness level of the screen. Change the language. Choose your wallpaper that shows on this lock screen. And then my favorite feature is the Find My Earphone. So if you misplace one, whether it's the left or the right, you can press this button here. So we'll do one as a test. And we'll start. And if you can hear that. So pretty easy to do. And then you can also set the time, look at photos. So a bunch of different things. I just think it's pretty unique that this has that. It's like a smart little hub for the earbuds, which I think is cool. The pairing was pretty seamless on this. It's Bluetooth 5.4, so with that, it just gives you a more stable connection, lower power usage, allowing for longer battery, longer range. And something else really cool I don't want to forget is that these can work as a standalone MP3 player. So that's with 4 gigabytes of storage. So that's about 1,000 songs. So if you don't have your phone or internet, these can still be used if you want to put any content, any material on these to listen. Another big plus for me anytime I have any headphones or earphones is the battery. These will last for up to 8 hours, but then if you include the case charging, that adds a total of 36 hours. And then of course the USB-C charger, nice and convenient on the bottom. The sound quality on these is also pretty good, very crisp and clear. You got the strong treble, the deep bass, and these are also rated to be IPX5 waterproof. So whether you're sweating or handling a little bit of rain, these will be able to handle that. They're built for active use. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with these. I really like the style. They're comfortable, they fit snug, and also I feel like they just thought of a few things that other competitors may not have, like the MP3 feature, the LED touchscreen on the front, and most importantly to me, the long battery. That's a very big one. So I think this is a great option for anyone into active use, commuting, or just everyday listening. So I really hope this review helps you, and good luck with your search.